Greetings everyone, this is Danny from harrtravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts. And today I'm at the beautiful Sandals Grand St Lucian Spa and Beach Resort. Now this particular category is a massive suite. This is the presidential suite as you would. It's the President Clinton Oceanfront Penthouse 2-story Butler Suite. It's incredible and I can't wait to show you. Follow along as we tour the suite. As soon as you walk in the door here to your right, you're gonna have a small powder room, a little storage area as well. You can imagine this would be the perfect suite to have if you're hosting a wedding or a group here on site. Now we're in the massive living room. You have 2 large couches here. You've got your coffee table set up and ready to go. Of course, this is a butler level suite, which means it's gonna start even before you arrive. We're gonna do a special preference sheet with you so that the butler knows what to expect and exactly how to make you happy here at your romantic time at Sandals. Now, directly across, you're gonna find a large flat panel TV. It is an interactive TV, so you can, of course, watch television, stream your own device, or you can see what's going on throughout the resort. There's quite a bit of extra decor in here. And then up above, you're gonna find 2 fans. I love that they have the fans here. Of course, you can open up the 3 large sliding doors if you wanna get the breeze coming right off the ocean. Now we have another small sitting area, and right here you're gonna find the dining room table. Another one of those great butler's amenities. Right here you can dine 24/7. You have complimentary 24-hour room service that they can arrange for you. In addition, keep in mind that your butler can do all kinds of other things as well. They can reserve a chair down at the beach or the pool for you and have that cooler stocked perfectly and ready whenever you are. Now, continuing along, this room has a kitchen. Of course, it's an all-inclusive. You don't really need it for more than prep, but if you are hosting an event or a party in here, this is a fantastic space to have. You're gonna have a mini fridge that's fully stocked with beer, wine, soda, juices, and your favorite mixers that we'll take care of as part of that preference sheet we do with the butler before you arrive. Behind you have a small microwave, coffee and tea kettle, but of course you can have your butler have coffee delivered at a specific time if that's something you're interested in. Another one of those butler level amenities are the full-size liquor bottles. So these are greatly upgraded and for your use throughout your stay. Right at the top of the stairs, you'll immediately notice that this is a very unique configuration for a couples only resort. There's actually 2 full bedrooms here. So as I walk in this is the 2nd bedroom. So maybe you want that extra level of separation, or this is the perfect place when my wife kicks me out when I snore too loud. So I could see the use for that as well. So you have a flat panel TV here, another one. You got the full king size bed, one of Sandals' signatures, and then you have some plugs on the side of the bed as well. Now this does have doors that go out to one of the 2 large terraces. We'll take you out there in just a minute, but let me show you the rest of the room. You've got a small writing desk here with extra chargers. Over to the left, you're gonna find your first set of storage right here. And then in here, you're gonna find a full bathroom. So you've got a large double vanity. See those full-size amenities from the Red Lane Spa. Now keep in mind, if you wanna check out the Red Lane Spa, the pools, the beach, all of the incredible restaurants and public spaces, make sure you check out our full resort tour as well. Now right around the corner, you're gonna have a shower tub combo in here. So keep in mind, you've got the powder room down below. This is the 2nd bathroom that we've encountered. Now we're headed into the extra large master bedroom. So you can see here you have a nice seating area with the large flat panel TV. You've got a fan up here and another fan above the sleeping area as well. Now there's a ton of natural light coming in. Once again, you have access to that private terrace right there. You'll see your large king size bed, one of those signatures of Sandals Resorts. You've got your Bluetooth speaker on one side with extra USB chargers, and you have your phone on the other with more plugs. Now, here in St. Lucia, they use a UK plug, so I always bring some extra converters and adapters just in case I need to utilize them during my stay. Right around the corner here, before we get there, I'll point out there's another flat panel TV for the bed. And then right here, you're gonna find your storage space. So you've got extra pillows, blankets, you've got those extra comfy robe and slippers, one of the butler level amenities, iron and ironing board, hair dryer, and you also have a safe big enough for a laptop. You have another small writing desk here with some extra US plugs to charge as well. Now let's head into the master bathroom. So over to my right, you're gonna see another large double vanity. Once again, plenty of room to spread out. You've got your magnifying mirror here, another set of those full-size bath amenities. And as we continue in, you're gonna see your jacuzzi soaking tub. It's another one of those things that the butler can do for you. They can draw a nice bubble bath, maybe have an ice cold glass of champagne waiting for you as well. In addition to the tub, they're gonna have a large walk-in shower. So you've got your shower head right here. You've got a nice little shower seat there. Plenty of room to move around. Now there's a couple of features that make this room truly unique. Let me take you right outside. Now just outside the master bathroom, you have this huge outdoor shower area. It's very private. You've got your rainforest shower head right here. And then as we continue along, you've got a drying rack, perfect to put your suit or towel on when you come up from the beach. And then you have this bench seat area here. Now I'm 6'6", so I can actually see the ocean over there, but as you can see, it's a very private space here. Just outside the master bedroom, in fact, you can see there's two large doors here for the master bedroom. There's another one over for the second bedroom, but you have another large terrace area. Once again, perfect if you're hosting some friends, possibly a wedding or a group. You've got two sets of loungers, and of course you have your umbrella as well. Your butler can help you with all those details. But what I like about this is you get another view that you usually don't get from the resort itself. So you're looking over at the other side, and then when we head out to the front, you're gonna see the view out the front as well. Now let's step out at the massive oceanfront balcony. So on the far side, you're gonna have a table and two chairs. You've got the same on the other side as well. That perfect place for a nice cup of coffee in the morning, maybe a cocktail in the evening, looking out at this incredible view. From here, you can see down to the main pool. You can see the full expanse of the beach. You've got Pigeon Island up there in the distance, a fantastic national park. I highly recommend that you check it out. And you can also see the other pools as well. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite or any room or suite at Sandals or Beaches, reach out to Harr Travel. We are your luxury all-inclusive experts. We know the spaces inside and out. We have an amazing relationship with Sandals and Beaches, and we know that we can craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your group, wedding, or honeymoon at an incredible value.